Hi everyone, I am Shavi. Welcome back to my channel. See, marriage is a very important thing in everyone's life, and different religions have different set of rules regarding marriage. So in this video we'll talk about Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and its essential conditions. So section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act talks about essential conditions to a Hindu marriage, and section 5 clause 1 talks about monogamy. Section 5 clause 1 runs as that neither party should be having a spouse living at the time of marriage, which basically means that if you want to enter into marriage, then you should either be single or divorced or widow. If you are married already and your marriage is a valid marriage, then you cannot contract second marriage. If you will enter into a second marriage while your first marriage was subsisting and was a valid marriage, then your second marriage would be void ab initio under section 11. And that marriage would be no marriage at all, and you cannot be called husband and wife in the eyes of law. So this is what basically section 5 clause 1 talks about, that it promotes monogamy. Monogamy means you can have only one spouse in your lifetime. If you can only marry twice if your first spouse is either you have taken divorce or you are a widow or widower. Otherwise you cannot marry twice. So it basically means that section 5 clause 1 promotes monogamy and it prohibits bigamy. So there is a case, that is Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India. It is the case of 1995. So in this case the question was, can you change religion just for the sake of marriage, just for the sake of second marriage? In this case what happened was that a person converted into Islam just for committing a second marriage, and the first marriage was subsisting. And then in those cases it was held that religion should not be changed just for the sake of marriage. If you want to convert and you want to enter into a second marriage, then you should first get your first marriage dissolved, which basically means that you cannot convert into another religion and contract a second marriage, no, and enter into a second marriage, no, you cannot do that. You can only enter into a second marriage when you will get your marriage dissolved, the first marriage dissolved. Why? Because Hindu Marriage Act does not promote bigamy. So this was held in this case, that is religion should not be changed just for the sake of marriage. Now the second case is Lily Thomas versus Union of India. This is the same year's case, that is 1997. In this case it was held that bigamy is an offence under section 494 and 495 of Indian Penal Code. So basically whenever bigamy is committed, firstly bigamy is void. When you commit bigamy, then the second marriage would be void marriage under the eyes of law. And the second thing is that the bigamy is the offence. This is mentioned under section 15 of Hindu Marriage Act, that bigamy is an offence under section 494 and 495 of Indian Penal Code. So this was all about bigamy, and always keep in mind that bigamy is committed only when your first marriage is a valid marriage. If your first marriage is a void marriage and then you are entering into second marriage, then the offence of bigamy would not be committed. The offence of bigamy would only be committed when your first marriage is a valid marriage and the spouse to that marriage is a living one. So this was all about bigamy, section 5 clause 1 of Hindu Marriage Act, which talks about monogamy. So I hope this concept is clear to you. And yes, मैंने जो है इसी concept पे जो है हिंदी में भी video बना रखी है. I have made a video in Hindi. I have made a Hindi version of this video also. You can check that out. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.